Oh, there we go. Now it's recording. Here we go. Guys, you'll never guess what showed up.
This is from Paydirt Getaway.
This is material that Heidi and I have gathered ourselves. That's a nice big one.
Heidi, use words.
Alright, let's hear this one.
Ho ho ho.
Wow, that's a nice wide angle.
It is. Hi guys, and welcome back to the Gold Room.
Hey guys, welcome back.
Hope everyone is having a great day. I know that Conan and I are. We have been hard at work.
We sure have, guys.
Want to show them what we've been doing? So there, you'll see our Patreon rewards for May.
That's right, we got all our Paydirts of the month. We had 8 of them in May. We've got our first, second, and third place. We've got some of the beautiful gold that we used here. Boy, I love looking at gold.
And then over here, this is really cool. This is Conan and I's first, our own dirt. So here we have the Hoosier dirt. This is the big bag. And then we have the Hoosier Dirt Mini.
That's right, and the Hoosier Dirt Mini is a beginner bag, and that's only for the size of the gold. It's got mostly the larger flakes in it versus the Hoosier Dirt, which has a bit more gold, half gram of gold, and about 1/10 of a gram of that is going to be flour gold. And we've also got our new Prospector Paydirt, guys.
What about that one?
Yeah, it's easily forgotten. I don't know that we're going to do too many more of these, so these could be the last 5. One of the 5 has 1 gram of gold. The other ones have between 0.2 and 0.3, but they all have really cool stuff in it, and I got new photos up on the website for all these dirts to show you the gold that's in them, to show you the weight to expect, the dirt to expect. Really tried to show you everything. Oh, that's right, I wanted to show you the dirt. So this is going to be real challenging stuff, but it is all from Arizona, and that's what you're going to find in our Patreon Paydirt of the month and in the Arizona Prospector Paydirt. And then this is how I made the Indiana Paydirt. This is material that Heidi and I have gathered ourselves. I separated it into plus and minus kitchen strainer material so that when I made the bags I could add mostly this. There's about a 4-to-3 ratio of minus to plus material. The intermediate bags have the flour gold in it that's going to be in the minus. In the beginner bags, I think most of the gold's going to be in the plus, but there's still going to be some smaller gold even in the beginner bags. So make sure you pan it out carefully, guys.
And then one of our standard products that keeps us going is our black sands from Exotic Lands. Get you a bag of Hoosier Dirt.
That's right. Well, and then we've also got our black sand samplers all pre-made, ready to go with added gold and natural gold from Lake Michigan. First, second, and third for May's Patreon reward video out in a few days is going to get to try that Indiana Hoosier Dirt by Heidi and Conan Gold Prospecting, because that's what's in those bags there.
That's awesome. And then we've let a little mail stack up.
We sure have. So we want to make videos on some of that. We've got stuff here from Chris Neville from Washington. We've got stuff here from Flour Gold Wizard Jason in Wisconsin. We've got stuff here from Prospector Gil, who's currently on his way to Alaska. And then we've got a couple letters here. Let's go ahead and open these now.
All right. This is from Paydirt Getaway.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Stickers! Oh, those are cool. A little note. Thanks, Heidi and Conan. You guys are an awesome couple. Keep up the good work. Enjoy life, and thanks for supporting me. Paydirt Getaway.
Wow, that's super cool. You always want to enjoy life, guys.
Thank you very much. We will find a home for our stickers.
We sure will.
This one's from the Hippie Explorer.
All right.
Love Wes and Tom.
Me too. We watched them live, and we got this by donating during a live stream.
Do-do-do-do-do-do-do. Look at that. Isn't that cool?
Yeah, look at that. Hit B. That's a nice big one. Thank you, Wes and Tom.
Yeah, thank you very much. I really like that. We'll have to find somewhere to put him. And then, of course, their card. There they are. Wes and Tom.
Looking good, guys.
Awesome. Thank you.
Thanks, guys. Some of this surely does have dirt. The big one there is from Country Gold.
Woohoo!
And we're going to have to check that out together, guys. Until we do, go ahead and head on over to his website and maybe get a bag for yourself.
Yeah, definitely check it out. But most importantly, go to acrossthepondpaydirt.
That's right. You want to see it in your pan today.
You sure do.
Guys, you'll never guess what showed up. Now we've even got dirt and gold from Thailand. These have crystallized gold in it. Crystalline gold. A lot of it still has the quartz and the host rock attached. This is some beautiful stuff, guys. We've got 2 of these going out for pre-orders, and 2 of them will be up on the website. They're really beautiful stuff, guys. Super hard to find this type of gold. Well, guys, that was a lot of fun. First time using the camera. Hope this all works out. You guys are going to get to find out.
All right, until next time, guys. Bye.
Bye, guys. That was a lot of fun.
It sure was.
Camera off. Oh, and poor Miss Susie. There she goes. Bye, Susie. Well, I could get a great shot with the tripod right down against the water. Put your foot back up there. Hang on. Let's step up to a new level. Click subscribe. If you're a gold prospector, you're looking at gravel.